So this is a trade I took earlier today, so I was just coming back to check, and it has hit the take profit. So I want to take you through the simple steps on how I enter this trade, what I looked out for before I enter, and my targets, my stop loss. So you can see, let me go to the higher time frame, which is the 4 hour. So this is it. You see, the most sweetest thing I like about my POR is seeing a liquidity. So if you want to go far, you always want to check liquidity. So this is a supply. You can see this rectangle, a demand. Sorry, this is a demand. Then you can see here. Let me mark it. Let me mark it with this. You can see here it is a liquidity. If you know anything, or if you know the concept of liquidity, so you will know that this is a liquidity. You can see the market broke this high here. Market broke. Then before it broke, there's a liquidity down here. Then it comes back. If you always use something like this, there's higher chance you win 90% of your trades. So when I saw this, then I moved down to the 5 minute time frame. Can see how patient I waited. The market got to my POI. I did not enter. You can see how it moves. So I later enter here. So there is one kind of confirmation I was checking here. You can see, and another thing you can see, after I entered, it almost just some pips to my TP. Then the market moved down even below my entry. You can see. So you have to be patient. Imagine I have already set my BE, which is the break even. So the market will took me out, then later move back to my TP. So I was just coming back now, then I saw it. So that's the TP. You can see. So whenever you see anything like this, always check liquidity. Always try to find liquidity, maybe before your supply or demand or any kind of POI you are using. So it's a high probability setup. So that's how I do it. And if you notice, I always target 3 times. You can see from year to year. You don't need to be greedy. Let me go back to the 5 minutes. You can see this is 3 times of my TP always. If my TP is, for example, $100, so I target 300. So don't be greedy. You want to make 10 times or 20 times. That's not possible. Many times it's not. I don't think so. So have a specific rules. Maybe you are targeting 5, you are targeting 2 times. So that will be perfect, and you'll be able to leave the market as early as possible, then find another thing to do.